Hi everyone, ready to set up your Nomad eSIM on Android or iPhone? In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to activate it effortlessly for hassle-free connectivity. Let's dive in. Go to Nomad website, buy a data plan using eSIM option, install the eSIM and activate your plan. Step 1. Check eSIM compatibility. Your smartphone supports eSIM compatibility. Go to eSIM compatibility check page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Make sure your phone listed. If it is not, you cannot install eSIM in your mobile. Step 2. Carrier unlock status. Ensure your phone is carrier unlocked and can be used for other network rather than your current or default provider. If your phone is locked, you cannot activate Nomad eSIM on your device. To unlock the device, reach out to current network and raise a request. If you are eligible, they will help you to unlock the device. For Android, go to your phone settings app, connection or network and internet, tap on mobile network and select the SIM. Turn off automatically. Select network, then tap on network operators or search now. If your phone displays multiple carrier names, it is likely unlocked. If it only shows your current carrier, it is likely locked. For iOS, go to the Settings app on your phone, tap on General, scroll down and tap on About. Look for the section labeled Carrier Lock. If it states no SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked. If it states SIM locked, your iPhone is still locked to a carrier. Alternatively, you can also power off your device, insert a SIM card from a different carrier into your device, and power on your device. If the phone connects to the new network and you can make calls or use data, it is likely unlocked. Step 3. Buy eSIM. Go to eSIM shop page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then select your destination. Select your plan according to your need. Click Buy Now button, sign in or sign up. Follow on-screen instructions to update payment and buy the eSIM. You should receive a confirmation email with QR code details about your eSIM. Step 4. Install Nomad eSIM. How to install Nomad eSIM on Android and iPhone. Method 1. Installing via notification. Once you have successfully purchased your Nomad eSIM on an eSIM compatible device, you will be prompted to install it. Select the option Add automatically when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of your eSIM. Method 2. Install using Nomad app. Open the Nomad app on your iPhone or Android device. Go to the Manage eSIM page, select the eSIM you want to install, tap on Installation Instructions, choose the options to add automatically. Select Install eSIM now and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Method 3. Install via QR code. After purchasing your Nomad eSIM, you will receive a QR code through in-app instructions and email. For iOS devices, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data, add cellular plan or add data plan, select the QR code provided. If you don't have second screen, take a screenshot of the QR code from your email or Nomad app. On iOS 17, iPhone 11 and above, you can load the QR code from your camera roll by selecting Open Photos when prompted to scan. For Android devices, Google Pixel, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, SIMs, add more, download a SIM instead, then scan the QR code. For Samsung, go to Settings, then Connections, then go to SIM Card Manager, add mobile plan, then scan the QR code. Method 4. Installing using code. You can find a Enter details manually below the Scan QR code option. Click on it, enter the code given with Nomad app and follow on-screen instructions to install the SIM. Step 5. Activate the eSIM. Typically, when you turn on the eSIM, it activates automatically as soon as it connects to the local network. If it is doesn't, you can activate it manually. Open Nomad app and log in. Go to Manage page and click Activate button to activate the eSIM. Once activated, check that your eSIM is turned on in your device settings and that it is set as your primary data line if needed. Step 6. Turn on data roaming. For iPhone, open the Settings app, tap on Cellular or Mobile Data, select Cellular Data options, tap on Data Roaming and toggle it to turn it on. For Android, open the Settings app, tap on Network and Internet or Connections, select Mobile Network or SIM card manager. Choose the Nomad eSIM you want to enable data roaming for, find the data roaming option and toggle it to turn it on.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.